Are you looking for the best free software to make your Windows PC faster, smarter, and more productive? In this video, I'll show you 6 amazing free Windows applications that can improve your workflow, monitor your system, boost productivity, and even keep your computer optimized. The best part: every software in this list is completely free to use. Let's get started. First on our list is Auto Dark Mode. If you're tired of manually switching between light mode and dark mode in Windows, this tool is a lifesaver. Auto Dark Mode automatically changes your Windows theme based on the time of day. For example, it can enable light mode during daytime and switch to dark mode at night. Key features: automatic light and dark theme switching, custom schedules, sunrise and sunset mode, wallpaper switching, easy-to-use interface. Dark mode reduces eye strain, especially during nighttime work sessions. If you spend hours in front of your computer, this small utility can make a big difference. Next is CPU-Z. CPU-Z is one of the most trusted hardware information tools for Windows. It provides detailed information about your processor, motherboard, RAM, graphics card, and more. CPU-Z for Windows only is a great way to find out information about the hardware on your computer. It's a system profiling and monitoring program that detects the CPU, GPU, motherboard chipset, RAM, and other hardware. Whether you're upgrading your PC, troubleshooting issues, or simply checking your hardware specifications, CPU-Z gives you accurate information in seconds. It's a must-have tool for every Windows user. At number 3, we have Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code. This is one of the world's most popular code editors. Even if you're not a programmer, VS Code can be useful for editing scripts, configuration files, website code, and more. Key features: lightweight and fast. Supports hundreds of programming languages. Built-in GIT integration. Thousands of extensions. AI coding assistant support. Why you need it? Whether you're a developer, student, system administrator, or IT professional. Next up is Flow Launcher. Think of Flow Launcher as a superpowered Windows search. Instead of clicking through menus, simply press a shortcut key and start typing. What can it do? Launch applications instantly. Search files and folders. Open websites. Perform calculations. Run commands. Search bookmarks. Why you need it? It saves a huge amount of time. Once you start using Flow Launcher, you'll probably stop using the regular Windows search forever. It's fast, lightweight, and incredibly productive. Number 5 is Glary Utilities. This is an all-in-one PC maintenance and optimization toolkit. It helps keep your Windows system clean and running smoothly. Features: disk cleanup, startup management, registry repair, privacy cleaning, duplicate file finder, performance optimization. Why you need it? Over time, Windows can become cluttered with temporary files and unnecessary startup programs. Glary Utilities helps remove junk and improve overall system performance. All of these tools are free, lightweight, and can significantly improve your Windows experience. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips, software reviews, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.